We have another example on the board. Again, before we are going to apply quadratic formula, we're supposed to organize this equation. Okay, so I have 2y squared. I have to move the content of my right side to the left side. And I'm going to have plus 9y plus 5 is equal 0. Okay, because if you are going to move negative 9y to the left side, you have to change the sign, and negative 5 to the left side is supposed to change to positive 5. Okay, 2 is your A, positive 9 is B, and positive 5 is C. Write the quadratic formula. X is equal minus B plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. This is equal negative 9, you're supposed to copy down this negative sign and this 9, plus minus square root, and I have 9 squared minus 4 times a, which is equal 2, times c, which is equal 5, over 2 times a. So I have 2 times 2 equals, we have x equals negative 9 plus minus square root 9 to the second power is equal 81 minus 4 times 2 is equal 8. 8 times 5 is equal 40 over 2 times 2 is equal 4. And I have negative 9 plus minus square root 81 minus 40 is equal 41 over 4. Please notice that the value of the discriminant is greater than 0. It means that we are going to have two solutions, and I have x equals negative 9 plus square root of 41 over 4, and I have x equals negative 9 minus square root of 41 over 4. Okay, so we can say that these are the solutions to my problem.